Hello teacher, now I will talk fast about my presentation about website design and development. My name is Nguyễn Thế Hoàng. Because 10 minutes is not enough for me. Uh, I have uh, more than 20 visual, but it's not enough for me. That I will talk fast about the keyword. About after this presentation, I hope that people can understand the server technology, manage the server and hosting managing website, some basic comment about website technology about front end, back end, server silent side, total software to the delivering website. This is the part for the staff member in the 5 key point in here. This is the website in application attractive diagram. In this diagram, in this picture, you can clear about this web application attribute that I will not talk more about it because, like I said, time is not enough for me. The element of the web application attribute is a UI web app structure component. This is how website work. The website include in the silent and server silent as a typical web internet connected device server as a component that store web-based style of our app. Formats URL is a point a location of certain specific resource on the web. Give information about recent formats about the server. This server operating system either an operating system already run on the service. Server the request of silent computer on the network. Role it either increase the basic interface between the server and other system around. It provides a library of Kubernetes database server used to the store and manage database. Provide the data asset around your keep and maintain data backup. Web server are either SMS software and program to silent request. Fiction is promised among computer with the request information about quick uh, about domain name system or can call DNS. It transfer other client to into IP address, provide the method and matching name and the number. This is the networking process you can see in this picture. Type of DNS is DNS queries, DNS records, DNS server. This is how DNS operation. It had the most form right to left like the root domain, the top level domain, the second level domain, and the subdomain and the host resource name. This is the domain name system manager. It has four forms: rename, storage, rename, change domain name, check the similar name of Scott name, harm, reputation, check several access to the domain. Domain name mentioned by the following operation is ICANE, IANA, operation top level domain. This is example of about DNS daemon management. Common protocol are the famous description of DNS manager format and rule used to transfer the information across the internet. It has 7 types in here picture. HTTP protocol is one of 7 types protocol. It is the underlying protocol used by World Wide Web, run on top of the TCP or IP suite of protocol. Server hardware is a powerful computer link memory, provided with the users and data that listen and your frameworks provide this elements. Operating system is a system software which lets you do the thing with computer, provided managing computer hardware and software resource, provide server and computer program. Server software provided used to server computing server reliable computer. This is table. Teacher must see the table in here for me because I not have enough time. The table influence for element. The table impact a common development technology. The table impact common web development framework. This about speaking energy tenor are the answer much high. Fiction declare index and rank. This is how SEO work to find out the website. This need this page is not the keyword that I will not talk more about it. Apart for senior staff member, I talk about static and dynamic web, front-end, back-end development, web UI and total spread. About static website, it's not the make up your any extra database while correctly in HTML. This is example of static website. Dynamic website is an connect the bus URL. You can see the dynamic website diagram in here to clear about it. This is the example of dynamic website. Here is the dynamic difference between static and dynamic website. I had both and con of two examples. The dynamic website and static website you can see in here for me. About front end and back end, different about it. Front end is relaxed client side focus your experience on web or application language HTML, CSS, JavaScript, framework, jQuery, vân. About back end, the rate of server side, responsibility sorting and organizing data, language is PHP, Ruby, Python, SQL. Framework is for Daisy, Ruby on the way. This is some technology for the front end. This is example about the same page you front end technology. This is table about server side web scripts and language. This is the table about web server support server side web scripts and language. Two tables that you must see in here for me because not having enough time to talk. This is the receive of front end back end to orientation application layout front end from what the variation which so all thing you can see and with the EUI to transfer data application backend focus application which allow your information about web in database. This is example about the person by online website creation to euro and drop to top boolean column site. This is example about web content view site. This is table comment between the top and content view. You must see this is the third design development view. I had sublighted to server code and not bad. This is the third design and development view set. I have CSS and JavaScript. Remember this is some link. I have taken information I give here for people can find information in this link. Thank you very much to see this video for me. I talk too fast. If I have mistake, you must talk to me to talk in class this presentation because 5 minutes is not enough for me to talk clear about this presentation. I will cut many things that I want to talk because I was fail to talk 10 minutes many time. It mất 30 or 40 times that video. Thank you for watching this presentation. Em xin kết thúc video ở đây ạ. Tại vì mong nếu mà em có lỗi thì mong là thầy cho em giới thiệu ở trên lớp. Tại vì 10 phút đối với em là cái bài này là nó quá nhiều. Em không thể là gọi là cắt được các cái keyword ra, các cái điểm quan trọng ra. Các điểm quan trọng em cũng viết em cũng có khá nhiều thứ để nói, nhưng mà 10 phút thì ngắn quá thì ạ. Mong là thầy Còn nếu mà em không được thì mong thầy cho em